Okay, good evening. So the network has been very, very bad from my end there. So I apologize for not posting this earlier. So talking about the form tag. So in the form tag, we have a tag also called the input tag. Now you see a kind of boxes wherever you see what is it called, a form on a website where you're asked to create. So you see those boxes whereby each box is always telling you, asking you to input something. So now those boxes is what we call what we use to achieve those boxes, the input tag. The input tag. Now you use the input tag in this format. You tell the box the type of. Now you can just let's just use the input for example like this. You save it up, then you open it. You save it as, let's say, reg.html. Then you open it up on your browser. Now you can see what this is. It's showing a box where you can actually input something. You can see that's the input tag. That's the work of the input tag. Now you can actually do something by adding a placeholder to this input tag. So what I mean by placeholder is what will be in the input tag that people will be able to see, like a text. Now you say the placeholder of this tag is username. Let's use for example username, and you save. Now when you open it up, you can see it's showing username in the tag, not like the username is typed there, but it's just there to guide the user that it is a username that you enter here. So that's how you do to create those boxes. You don't need to draw them, you just input the tag. You say input. After you click, you type in your input. Then between those tags, don't forget that's where you put your placeholder. You see your placeholder is equals to, let's say, password. Don't mind me, I'm trying to create just a login form for us for now. So you save, always ensure you save, then you open it up. You can see showing us the password. That's username and password. Then you can actually create a button. Now we have something we call label. Now let me use this label. Now in this form tag also, now the label tag is used to label each boxes you are creating. Now in each label you can actually say the label for this one is username. Now you see the work of this. Now once you get to our browser, now you save it up, then you load it. Now you can see the username is appearing before the box, just to tell the user that it's a username. Now this is where our div tag always comes in. Now this is the reason why I said we need to learn how to use div tag, because now the div tag will make this go down. That is, it will separate it and tell the browser that it should appear on a different line. You can see this, you can see that the password has jumped down. So that is the essence of the div tag. So you wrap it up in a div tag every of your inputs. For example, you say another div tag here, you come down and close it, another div tag. So we need to add a label here too, a label. Now the label, we call it password. I want us to just take note of this. Then we close the label here. Okay, the spelling is not correct. That's why you notice the colors are changing. Now if what you are typing is not correct, then the colors will not change. It will just be white there, except for text. You can see there is only the label, you see. But when it is a tag and you type it, always take note that if it didn't change color here, like this one, if it does not change to this normal color that all the tags are having, then it's not actually a valid tag. You click here to open again, you can see it's right up here, it's set. Now it's a username, password. Then you can say another input. Now you create another div for the input, another div, just to make sure it comes on a separate line. That's the essence of using a div. Now it breaks it down. So you see another div for inputs. Then you now call the type of input. Now you call it submit. Now why do we call it submit? I'm looking for this. It says submit. Then you say, you can notice something, that it is everything I'm writing is in between those input tag. Now you say you add a placeholder to it also. No, you don't need a placeholder. Let's just use label. Let's just add a label to it. Now we call the label login. Now I want us to take note of this that I'm doing. You call it login. Then you click, before you click save, always make sure you close your tag. Now this is the opening tag for the div here, then this is the closing tag. So each div should have a closing tag. You open it up, you can see it says submit, but it's not doing it. The button is not actually doing anything. Now this label I'm putting here now should not be here, because I've actually said the type of input here should be submit. So I would need to just delete this label. I need to just delete this label tag. Now you need to delete this label tag and click save. Now that's how to. Now if I want to change this to this button submit to login, what I need to just do is add a placeholder. Then I'll call the placeholder. I'll type whatever I want to show in the place I want to show in that button that is showing submit. I'll type it in the placeholder, and that's how we do it, so that it will show what we want. Now sorry, I think I'm not saving that. Sorry, login from the type login. Now you can see is actually adding another box, but we don't want that. We want it to be a button. There are diverse ways to do this, but once I send in the materials, you'll be able to learn more. Thank you.